Here we've got KIANO Elegance 6.1 Pro, and let me show you how to change both date and time on the following device. So first of all, you have to open the settings, then find and select System. Here just click on the date and time tab, and now you can either use automatic date and time, or you can turn off the automatic setup and now select date and time manually by yourself. So from now on, it's up to you what date and time it currently is. You can also change the time zone. Just mark time zone indicator right here, and now you can select the region and time zone if available. You can also activate 24-hour format clock. If you would like to do it, just mark it here, and now you will have 24-hour format clock, and then obviously you can deactivate it the same way, smoothly by tapping. And that would be all. This is it. This is how you can change date and time on your device. Whenever you would like to go back to automatic setup, just mark all automatic settings, and now everything will be set up automatically again. And this is it. That would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.